Louis? Who does that? You can't sit with us.
Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah.
Okay, it is not time for that.
What's going on, guys? This is Easy Breezy, and today we have another hair sponsor. Thank you so much, Yolissa, for sending us this 180 density straight lace front wig. And modeling today, we have her. Make sure y'all follow her on Instagram and subscribe to her brand new YouTube channel. By the way, if you want to see exactly how I did this hairstyle before I even put this wig on her head, go ahead and check out the second video.
Am I giving you all I got in these broken clothes?
Are you giving yourself that?
Burning daylight. Lose the two, dude. My lips are so big. Anybody want to make out? Okay. Ow! You have ADD, and I have Tourette's. Drake? You don't know who that is for real?
No.
I'm not even telling you. Please, please. Ow! God, who is this girl? Who's that girl? Oh my God! Whoa! Whoa! this, Zakia. This.
I know.
You got no choice.
The wig don't be fitting right.
My head too small?
No.
So you trying to think how big it is?
Back with this braid thing. Braids have to be really small because the wigs are already, they come small. So any type of leverage is gonna make the wig not fit right.
So that's why
Which is why I keep stressing. Right. And so this would normally come up here.
Right.
And I would just cut it where it's supposed to be, except it's gonna be cut on your hair. And I'm not putting glue on your hair because this is better than that.
It is.
Makes a lot.
That can be covered though.
Yeah, I'm covering it with baby hair.
Girl. Oh, I'm. What's that Disney princess name with the hair like this? Yeah, that's exactly right.
I know you're talking about this curl pattern.
And this color.
I don't know. Shit.
Can you Google it? Can you type in Disney princess with orange, with red, with?
So you guys, this is the final result of this style, which I absolutely love. And if you know what princess she's talking about, please comment below because I'm trying to figure this out myself. Also, once again, thank you so much, Yolissa Hair, for sponsoring us with this straight lace front wig. If you guys are interested in purchasing this wig, make sure you read the description below for all the information. If you guys are not subscribed to my channel, make sure you go ahead and do that and turn on your notifications. See y'all later.